A car graphene coating is a type of protective coating that uses graphene, a single layer of carbon atoms, as its base. Graphene is the strongest material known to man, and it is also very lightweight and flexible. This makes it ideal for use in car coatings, as it can provide superior protection against scratches, chips, and other damage. Graphene coatings are also very hydrophobic, meaning that they repel water and dirt very effectively. This makes it easier to keep your car clean and looking its best. Additionally, graphene coatings can help to reduce the amount of heat that your car absorbs from the sun, which can help to protect your paint job and interior. Graphene coatings are typically more expensive than traditional ceramic coatings, but they offer a number of advantages, including superior durability. Graphene coatings are said to last for up to 10 years, compared to 5 to 7 years for ceramic coatings. Greater hardness. Graphene coatings are harder than ceramic coatings, making them more resistant to scratches and chips. Better hydrophobic properties. Graphene coatings repel water and dirt more effectively than ceramic coatings. Reduced heat absorption. Graphene coatings can help to reduce the amount of heat that your car absorbs from the sun. If you are looking for the best possible protection for your car's paint job, then a graphene coating is a great option to consider. Here are some of the benefits of using a graphene coating on your car. Increased gloss and shine. Graphene coatings can give your car a deep, rich shine that will make it stand out from the crowd. Improved water repellency. Graphene coatings create a very hydrophobic surface, which means that water will bead up and roll off easily. This makes it easier to keep your car clean and free of dirt and grime. Reduced friction. Graphene coatings can reduce the friction between your car's paint job and the elements, which can help to protect it from scratches and chips. Improved resistance to UV rays. Graphene coatings can help to protect your car's paint job from the harmful effects of UV rays, which can fade and discolor over time. Reduced heat absorption. Graphene coatings can help to reduce the amount of heat that your car's paint job absorbs from the sun. This can help to prevent the paint from cracking and peeling. Overall, graphene coatings offer a number of advantages over traditional ceramic coatings, including superior durability, greater hardness, better hydrophobic properties, reduced heat absorption, and increased gloss and shine. If you are looking for the best possible protection for your car's paint job, then a graphene coating is a great option to consider.